Let us install Docker Desktop on Mac. I'm following this official documentation for this. So here let's go through these steps. We have downloaded, let us download this docker.dmg file first. And once this file is downloaded, let us run these commands. This file is downloading. Once this is downloaded, we'll run these commands. Let's go to the location where we have this file downloaded and let's run the commands. So now it's working. Let's wait for a couple of minutes for it to complete the installation. And once it is done, we can go with the Docker Desktop GUI. Now see, once the installation is done, we can see Docker here. We can see this Docker icon in the applications. Double click this. Yeah, Docker is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Confirm it. So this is the first agreement, like a service agreement. Let's accept this. And it will ask for the default settings. We can go with the default ones. Let's enter the password. And this is our Docker Desktop. So we can sign in with our Docker Hub account, or else we can also continue without signing up. So this is our Docker Desktop. Here you can search for the images on Docker Hub. You can search for any images, like let's say I just want to search for Ubuntu. So here you can see all the images related to Ubuntu on Docker Hub. Similarly, the containers, whatever are running, if you want to run any containers, you can. Let me start running a container. Let me search for some Nginx. So here is the Nginx official image. Let me run this. So it will pull the image and it will start the container from this. Here you can see it's pulling Nginx. and you may also run any docker commands from this terminal now as Docker is installed. Let's say Docker. You can see the image is downloaded. Now let us click on this run so that a container will be started. If we want, we can give some name to the container. Let's say C1 is a container, and we can also set the port for port forwarding if we want. See, this is the container port which runs on 80. We are forwarding it to port 8001. Similarly, we can also configure any volumes or environment variables and so on. For now, it's just run. So container will be started. You can see the containers listed here. Under images, you can see the images, and here also we can list it now. Docker images and Docker PS. Yes, container is running on port 8001. So now if you hit this local machine, like a local host on port 8001, we should see Nginx. This is how you can use Docker desktop on your Mac or Windows and use Docker locally.